Hi guys! I just spat. Sexy. Anyway, I really wanted to film for you guys today because I had this idea. I ordered it on Amazon. Here we are. As you can tell by the title, we are shaving our face like Jaclyn Hill. It's weird. Like, shaving your face is totally up to you. I want to shave my face only because I feel like my makeup doesn't sit, just like her. My makeup doesn't sit that well on my face. I do have quite a bit of peach fuzz. It doesn't bother me, just I would prefer if it wasn't there so that my makeup laid a little bit nicer. If you choose not to shave your face, I support you. If you choose to shave your face, I support you. Whatever you feel like doing, as long as it is for you and not other people, do that. This is going to be my attempt at shaving my face, following Jaclyn Hill's tutorials. So, if you watch my other videos, I have talked about shaving my face before. People have asked me how I do this, and I have kept my mouth shut because I have not figured out a good way of doing this. I basically, when I shave my head, I just take that same razor and just go along my sideburns. But what that does, as she says in her video, is it makes the hair grow back like thicker and a little bit more coarse using that type of razor. And that's what I've noticed. So I didn't want to share with you guys anything that I felt like wasn't really working as well as it could be until I came across the Jaclyn Hill tutorial of shaving your face. So that's what we're doing today. So, as she says in her tutorial, she orders her razors online, which is exactly what I did. So, I live in Canada, so I ordered these off of Amazon.ca. They came the next day. They were like $5.99 and there's 3 of them. These are made by the brand Chic. So we're gonna do this and I'm scared. Let's pop on. Let's just pop on a Jaclyn Hill tutorial and get to shaving our face. So, I don't know how this is gonna go. I have dry, sensitive skin. And like I said earlier, it's Shark Week, so I have some extra friends joining us for this party. It's life. She says in this video that she does it once a month. I'll let you know. After I shave my face, like I said, I have to go to work, so I will be putting makeup on, and I'll let you know if I feel like it helps. Okay, so as you can tell, I have a clean face. There is nothing on my face. I washed it. It is completely clean, no makeup whatsoever. Like she said, I guess you can do this with makeup on. That confuses me a bit, but if she says you could, you probably could.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get this party started.
Wait,
so
is she left-handed?
Like this,
or is this video?
All the little hairs, like all the little follicles. You're like, oh, there you are. But I'm just gonna start right here on my jawline.
We're gonna start on our jawline.
I don't know if the camera can see it.
Okay, so like she says in the video, we're gonna work with the grain, the way the grain of our hair is growing. I don't know. Okay, it doesn't hurt. Ow, what the hell? Is this working? Okay, so she holds her face and she uses this hand. So I think it's so that you can use a really light hand when you do this. And we're just gonna, oh my Lanta. I feel like I want to go in this way. Yeah. Oh my Lanta, if you could see this right now. Can you see this? Look at this. Oh my Lanta. It's like, there is hair flying everywhere. She's definitely right. Like, it would be really hard. I feel like there's hair everywhere. It would be really hard to hurt yourself with this. Like, you could, I think, if you pressed really hard or accidentally went like this way, but it is really, really gentle. Really gentle. And I'm like not even pressing hard at all, and it's just like fluff flying everywhere. Fluff flying. There's just fluff flying everywhere.
I always notice that I don't really have anything on my chin area, but I still will go right under my mouth just for the exfoliation aspect.
Okay.
Honestly,
I mean, I think I probably do have hair on my chin. I don't know. Let's see. But apparently this exfoliates as well, so that's exciting. Okay, this one feels like it feels like weird. I do have like some friends here, so maybe that's weird. I mean, there's definitely like a little bit of tiny hairs on my chin, but she's right, there's really nothing. And because I have a friend here, he's been dealt with, if you will. I'm just kind of going around him. I've always noticed that I have a lot of hair here and my makeup gets stuck. Oh my Lanta. I'm done. I'm done. I've had too much. This is like, if you're a picker, this is like a picker's dream. Like just like getting in there. Oh, did you see it fall? You guys, this is gross. This is gross, but like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the weirdest video. I'm sorry. Let's continue, Miss Jaclyn. Tell me more. Tell me more, babe. We're moving up. To know me is to know I love a good highlight moment, so like we are trusting Jaclyn Hill right now. Okay, we have to get up in here, is what she says. Oh my Lanta, that was my hairline. Okay, that's fine. It's blonde. You can barely see it. It's better my hairline than... What, Gabby? Seriously? It's better my hairline than my eyebrow. Which needs to be done anyway. I got my eyebrow bit, but it's okay. I think it looks good. Okay, we're gonna listen to Jaclyn Hill and we're gonna do... There's like little hairs everywhere, so it's like bothering my nose. Okay, let's get into our forehead. Because like Jaclyn says, you can't forget your forehead. I hear you, girl. I understand. There's really not much coming off of my forehead. Ooh, a friend. I went over him because he's not scabbed, so it's okay. We have not picked him yet. Close as I possibly can to my eyebrow without touching it, just so we don't have all those extra hairs above like she talks about, and then on the side of my face again. I don't have much hair here. Nothing's flying. Ooh, but it feels smooth, honey. Okay, we're getting into the upper lip now. Our friend that was here last week is still here, if you're wondering. I'm gonna tell you this, this does not feel comfortable. Like the rest of my face, it was fine, but like my upper lip doesn't like this whatsoever. It just feels scratchy. This is weird. It's weird because it doesn't feel like I have hair on there. Because I'm bald. I have a sideburn that comes to like here. You can't really see it because it's blonde, but I am gonna just sharpen it up with this. So I'm gonna go straight to where I want that line to be and then drag it down. Like she says, I'm gonna keep that sideburn. Oh, do you see that? I cut my neck. Right there. I drug this down, and when I did that, I accidentally turned the razor and I cut my neck. Alright, so at least we know cutting yourself is possible. Please, 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 please be careful. Okay, so I'm done. Oh my Lanta. My skin right now feels incredible. And it feels a little tight now. It doesn't feel like anything really. It does feel a little tight. I will come back once my makeup is on and just tell you how it feels. See if you guys want to do it too. BRB. Okay guys, I am back and my makeup is on, as you can see. So I want to share my final thoughts. So after I finished shaving my face, I went and washed it and moisturized it. So when I was washing it, I did notice different parts of my face a little bit red. And then when I moisturized it, it kind of felt like it stung a bit. Like different parts of my face stung a bit. And I think that's all just part of like the learning curve of learning like how heavy of a hand you can use. And maybe I needed to pull back just a little bit. I also noticed on my neck there was 2 scratches. They're probably covered now. I don't think you can see them. So I did cut myself twice on my neck. So it's just about being very careful when you're doing this. Obviously it is a blade. It can cut you. That's what they do. So it's just about being extra careful. Although my face is softer than it's ever been. Oh my gosh, I sat there for so long with the moisturizer like, yes, give it to me. Like, it was so nice. And that has nothing on the makeup application. Like, my skin, putting the makeup on my skin was just like, oh, like angels. The heavens opened up. They were blessing my face, like insane. And as you can see, the highlight on my face is just like buttery because there's no texture mixing in with it. Yes, I absolutely adore this. So I will be doing this again. I'll let you know probably on my Instagram, gabrielle.olivia. The O is a 0. I'll probably let you know over on my Instagram how the hair is growing back. I will do it again. Next time I'll probably use like a lighter hand so that I don't scratch up my face at all. I felt that way. I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon. Love you. I'm out of breath. I have to edit this on a plane. I'm headed to Miami on Sunday to see my sister, and I booked a middle seat. So I'm going to be editing me shaving my face between two people watching what I'm doing. That's fun. I love that. I love that for me. Bye guys.